I am so obsessed with these little countertop ice makers. I have several different models and I love them so much that when I finally got a refrigerator that would make its own ice, rather than getting rid of them, I have hoarded them like Smeagol with the precious. I love them so much. But there's one thing that I think that everybody needs to know about them, and that is if you move them around or when you first get them, if there's any chance that they've been on their side or on their back or upside down, let them sit for 24 hours before you turn them on. That'll give a chance for the liquid in the compressor to settle back down. If you turn it on before that, if it's been on its side, if any of that liquid has had a chance to get up into the workings, it can mess up the machine. So you definitely want to make sure you let it just give it a rest for about 24 hours. So what I'm going to do right now real quick is I'm going to go ahead and fill this guy up and I'm going to see how long it takes for us to get our first batch of ice. I've got a little timer here ready to go. I'm going to put the water in and we're going to see how long it takes. So there you go, pretty quick, 8 minutes, 21 seconds to your first ice. So that's pretty awesome. It might have even actually been a little bit quicker if I had chosen the small ice setting, but I chose the larger ice setting. So I'm super happy with this machine and I'm not getting rid of it for anything. And I hope this helps.